Hello everyone, my name is Shay and I am out on Ultratech shop floor with our Senior Applications Engineer, Rick Mascarino, and today we're going to be reviewing retrofits. So Rick, why don't you tell us what's involved in a machine retrofit?
Okay, at the base level, it's a replacement of the machine's control system. So that's the CNC control, the operator interface, servo motors, spindle motors and their drives, and also all the other mechanical and electrical hardware required for that interface. In some cases, we'll even do rebuilds of certain machine units, like maybe a spindle or a slide drive. Okay. That's basically it.
So can you tell us what type of equipment makes a good candidate for a machine retrofit?
Sure. It's typically a larger machine or maybe a machine that's got a very high replacement cost. We find a lot of machines in the field that are mechanically sound. Maybe they just have an obsolete control system. Typically, if we can get the retrofit cost in and around maybe 60% or a little less of the replacement cost, we find that we can make it work.
Okay. And then lastly, can you tell us how retrofit projects are processed here at Ultratech?
Yeah, typically the actual retrofit will happen on the customer's floor. However, here we'll build the electrical panels in the operator interface and prepare all the rest of the hardware as required. We'll power the system up and we'll test it to the best we can without it actually being connected to a machine.
Oh, wow.
We'll invite the customers to come out for these functional tests, and those can even go to the extreme of testing maybe a current part program they had from their old system to kind of prove that the compatibility is going to work on the new control system. The installation process at their place usually takes about 3 to 4 weeks, and the customer can keep their machine running right up until the day we arrive. But in that 3 to 4 weeks, we'll do the installation, the wiring, power up, test, and train their employees.
Oh, wow. Very nice. All right, everyone, there you have it. I hope you guys learned something about our retrofits and what we can do here at Ultratech. Rick, thanks for being with us, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.